stuff, it's gases.
Yeah,
That's why the gases are keeping it in a spherical shape.
but both of them have volume, right?
Right.
All right, thank you.
You look something deep like that.
Mu'taz,
Yes, Mr.
what is physical property?
And is a foot.
Wait, Danny, please. Huh? Physical property?
characteristic,
Yes, read that. Characteristic?
a characteristic of matter that you can observe or measure directly. Something that is physical exists in the world, unlike an idea. Something physical can be observed and measured. Color, texture, shape, and size are physical properties because they can be observed and measured.
Yeah, that's a great look. So we said, what are the physical properties of matter? Color, texture,
Color,
shape,
texture, shape,
size.
and
So
are
look around look around you, please, in your room and your house, and pick anything, any object, and describe it according to its color, its shape, its texture, its size. Can you do that now?
okay. Like my computer,
Okay.
it it is it is a small size medium, and its color is gray and black. From and its texture is smooth, and its texture is smooth,
And
and the shape and the
it's
shape
as a
is not.
geometrical shape.
Yes, it's a geometrical shape.
What is the geometrical shape for your computer?
Like
Mm. Is it a square, a rectangle, triangle, circle, oval?
square.
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 Okay. Okay. If I give you another example, or let's talk about an apple.
Okay.
What is its color?
A red.
Okay, but my color, my apple is green. So it depends.
So its
You
color
said that
is
your apple is in red color. Okay. What about the texture?
the texture. It's smooth.
Okay, the shape.
The shape is like an oval shape.
You can say it's round, oval. Okay.
Yeah.
What about the size?
The size is like small.
If we make a comparison between the size of an apple and a watermelon, what is the difference?
The watermelon is bigger,
Yeah.
and the apple is smaller.
What we call all of that, color, texture, shape, and size.
Physical properties.
Thanks. Physical properties. Next, density. I was ready with density, Manef.
Yes, Mr.
Density.
Density, the amount of matter present in a certain volume of a substance. Density and dense begin the same way. If something is dense, it is parts are crowded together like trees in a forest. If one forest is more dense than another, it has a greater density.
Thanks. Look here, a baseball and a tennis ball are about the same size, right?
Right.
The same size.
But
But the baseball,
the baseball is not like the tennis ball
yeah. Why?
because the tennis ball they have a ball, so when I come to play, I know that this is a tennis ball, and that is a baseball.
Okay, Manef, please look here. Listen to my example.
Okay.
This is
A ball.
a ball, and here I have another ball like that.
Wow.
Look, are they of the same size?
Yes.
Yeah, but look, the surprise here. The
This
surprise.
is.
Listen,
This
listen.
is.
Wait.
Okay.
Don't judge quickly. This is iron ball, but this one is
Iron.
cotton. Is cotton ball.
Oh.
Are they of the same weight and mass?
No.
For
Of course.
example, look, if I have a balance and I'll try to find the weight of each of them, you will find that this ball is about 10 kilograms, but this ball is about only 1 kilogram. Oh my God. What?
There is no kilogram in this cotton.
Oh, maybe smaller than, maybe like that, or different. It depends on the situation. But what
Yes.
makes the weight difference between the two balls?
The difference, like
The density.
the
You have to,
heavy, heavy.
yeah, and the scientific term here is called density. Density.
Density. Yes.
Density. So let's
Yeah.
back again. Let's come back to this page and read density again. The amount.
The amount of matter present in a certain volume of substance, density and dense begin the same way. If something is dense, its parts are crowded together like the trees in a forest. If one forest is more dense than another, it has a greater density.
Thank you. Thanks, Manef. Here some concepts from this lesson. Read the ideas more than once. Do your best to remember them. So again and again, again, you have to use your pen. You have to write this sheet more than once. So the best way to revise the sheet is to read it beside writing. And if you need help, you can open YouTube or any other source to know more about any difficulty. Ahmed,
Yes.
according to these concepts, number one, anything that takes up
Any-
space.
And has mass is matter.
Stop. So, number one, anything that takes up space and has mass is matter. So, can we say, for example, to anything is not matter?
No.
For example, the air. Is air is
it
matter?
matter. Yeah,
Why?
because it has mass. It takes up space.
Takes up space. Can we see the air?
No.
So how can we say it takes up space?
Like
Hmm.
how can the air take space?
Yeah.
This is a difficult question.
No, it's not difficult. You can answer it. Just give yourself like 10 seconds to think about it. We can't see the air. However, it's a matter.
Yeah, it is
Why?
a matter.
Why?
Because we can't see it.
We can't see it, but can we feel it?
Yeah.
We can feel it. And imagine that we blow a balloon with wind. So inside this balloon is air.
Yeah.
So now we can see the effect of air inside it. And also we
Yes.
can find the mass of the balloon. So if we make a comparison between the mass of the balloon without air and the mass of balloon with air, what is
Yeah.
heavier?
Air.
with air
Yeah,
and
because if it has air inside the balloon, it becomes more heavier and it can fly. Without air, it can't. It can't do anything.
so you can do this experiment if you bring up a simple balance to know the weight or the mass of the balloon with air and without. You can find that the balloon with air is heavier than the other one. Thanks, Ahmed. Okay, number two. Number two, Yusuf.
Yes, my dear Mahmoud.
Number two, Yusuf, read that, please.
A physical property is a feature or quality of matter that you can observe or measure.
Yes, Yusuf. Yusuf, let me tell you a sad story, please.
Oh no, I don't want to be emotional.
No, it's related to our topic. I have a friend. I really like him so much, but he is blind. Can he observe or notice any physical properties of matter?
Can you repeat that again because I'm so confused.
Again. I have a friend and he's blind. He can't see.
الله يشفي.
He can't see. Okay. Can he observe or measure the physical properties of matter?
Yes, because yeah.
How? How can he use his senses to judge something or to observe or measure something?
Maybe from God, God helps him, right?
Yes, how? But tell me about the reason. How can he observe or measure the items around him?
Like when you want to measure something, he
Mm.
can use the balance. If he wants to observe, maybe what can he use?
Should he observe by using eyes, only eyes?
No,
He can use ears.
ears.
He can use touching. He can use smelling. So we have 5 senses, right?
Yeah.
So some people lose some senses like sight, hearing, but it's a gift from the Almighty, from Allah,
Yes.
that He gave them other senses like touch, hearing, smelling. What are the 5 senses?
touching, hearing, smelling. What else?
Give me 2 more.
See, eyes. You can see.
You said that.
Oh, wait. You must see and smell and touch
Mm-hmm.
and taste.
Yeah.
Well, the last thing
One more.
Feel. No, not feel. What is it again?
Take 10 seconds and tell me.
I give up.
Again, let's say them again. We said sight, seeing, hearing.
What? Sight what? What is sight?
It's like seeing when we see something. It's the noun from the word, the verb see.
Okay.
Sight, hearing, touching,
Smelling and tasting.
So they are 5. Thank you, my dear. Ahmed?
Yeah.
Can you please read number 3? Hardness, size, color.
Hard, size, color, shape,
Taste, texture,
texture, and
odor
odor
are physical properties.
are physical
properties. Okay, Ahmed, if you remember, we said example with Manaf. He said, I have, I think he, Mu'taz, not Manaf. Mu'taz said, I have a red apple, a red apple. Do you like mangoes? Yes or
Yeah.
no? You like mangoes. What is the color of mango?
Orange.
Maybe orange, maybe green, maybe
Yellow,
red,
yellow.
yellow, maybe yellow. So the color is one from the physical properties of matter. Thanks, Ahmed. Okay, the next point. The next point. Abdulaziz. Number 4.
Number 4, mass, volume, and density are physical properties.
Yeah, mass, volume, and density. So we can add them to the previous point. Hardness,
Yeah.
size, color, shape, taste, texture, odor, plus mass, volume, density, all of them are what?
Physical properties.
Physical properties. Thanks, Abdulaziz. Abdullah?
Yes.